Hey guys, Nikki Fox here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm coming at you with something a little different and very exciting. I got like a free product sent out to me by IPL laser hair removal brands. And what they want me to do is review the product for you guys, do a little unboxing. So I'm going to be doing that today. I currently get laser hair removal done on my face. And I just thought it was a good idea to try this product out. You know, I get laser hair. I spend like $150 each session just on my face. So I just want to see if this product will work for me. I'm going to try it out for about a month and come back and let you guys know how my experience went. So if you want to see this whole journey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Keep watching and let's jump into it. Alright guys, so I have the box right here. It came yesterday, but I picked it up this morning because your girl was in Lake Cowichan. By the way guys, I have a vlog coming soon, so make sure you guys check out my vlog channel. Anyways, back into this video. We got a box here. We're going to open it, do a little unboxing. It has not been opened yet, girl. So, let's just cut this bad boy open. I'm gonna open it where I taped off my address. Maybe I should have opened it off cam. Just gonna rip it open, guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. IPL Rejuvenation and Hair Removal Instruments. Way to beauty. Nice. So they sent this to me for free, which is nice. And they actually discovered, they found us on YouTube. So it feels good to know like I'm doing it, guys. Like I'm doing what I wanted to do. So we're just gonna open this bad boy. Ooh, I love this color. It's very like, it reminds me of the beach, this color. So this is what it looks like. This says the Pro S1 Hair Removal Technology. It's got a pic of it here. And then it says on the side here, durable hair removal, integrated safety design, 8 weeks smooth. So like 8 weeks, you're supposed to be smooth. High grade quartz lamps and IPL technology. Nice. How do I open this part? Ooh, just gonna throw this on the ground. So it does come with a little construction book here. Classic portable IPL hair removal handsets. Lots of reading to do and instructions. It kind of shows you here the stages of your laser hair removal. From what I know, before using these machines, is you need to exfoliate, shave, and use this bad boy. When I get laser hair removal on my face, I exfoliate, I shave the night before, and then the morning of, I just go in and get lasered, call it a day. But I know you can't laser over top of hair because 1, it'll burn you, and 2, it'll smell so bad because you're like burning your hair off. But this is what the machine looks like. I'm excited to use this. It's very convenient. Just keep it by your bedside. You know, if you're just chilling watching a movie, just start lasering away. But it feels like it's nice. It's good quality. Okay, nice. So it comes with a little dust bag, a cord. It actually comes with a razor, so you can shave the area you are getting ready to zap. Girl, it's got some rockin' shades in here. These are actually cute. So you're supposed to wear these glasses as you're zapping your hair off because the IPL light is a laser light, so you want to protect your eyes at all times. And then I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna have to go in and read the instructions, but I'm assuming this just clips over top of here. Yeah, we'll figure it out. And then it obviously comes with the cord. I'm not sure if this is pre-charged or not, so we're just gonna try and figure this all out together. But how cute, look at all the stuff it comes with. Where are the instructions? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and figure this all out off camera, and then I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So the machine didn't come charged at all, so it's just sitting on the charger now. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge. What I will say, I was reading the instructions, and some things like you are not allowed to use the machine over tattoos and stuff. It's a bit of an issue for me because if you know me, I have tons of tattoos. I have my sleeves done, I have my thigh done and stuff. So I am at a little bit of an inconvenience on where I can use it and stuff, but to test this product out, I'm going to be using it on my armpits and my bikini line and like under my belly button and stuff, and I'm going to take like a before and after pic so you guys can just like see if it does do anything, what it's doing, if it's thinning the hair, smoothing the skin, that type of thing. So I'm kind of limited on where I can use it. I did not know that you weren't able to laser over tattoos, so that's kind of interesting to find out, because I have been getting laser hair removal just on my face. Like, I haven't had it anywhere where I've been tattooed yet, but I guess that's not allowed, so that's good to know. If you didn't know that, I didn't know it either, so we're learning things together. But yeah, other than that, everything's pretty straightforward. You just hold it on your skin, zap it, move it. There's different settings. You can start off at settings 1 to 5, 5 being the strongest, 1 being the lowest. Alright guys, so this machine does retail for $229, and you know, it's a fairly good price, so I will get back to you guys in a month with my full review on this product, let you guys know my experiences and all the details, so stay tuned for that. I also just want to say a huge thank you to the MissPeachy.com for sending me this IPL laser hair removal at-home kit. I am so appreciative, and I can't wait to like try it. Also, like, one of the good things about laser hair removals for me in my experience is before I got laser hair on my face, I would shave and I'd get the worst ingrown hairs and like cystic acne, and laser hair removal actually stopped that from happening. So if I can get, you know, at least a little bit results from using this IPL machine and not have shaving bumps or ingrown hairs, then that would be absolutely amazing. But stay tuned until you guys can see the results of this IPL machine. I can't wait to share my experiences with you, and until next time, stay foxy.